Okay, so here's what I need for you to know, remember, meditate on, do whatever you need to do to get this in your sphere, okay? When you are being intentional about remembering who you were and who you are as the divine, because of your black essence, because of your cosmic identity, there is divinity. Divinity is because you are. Divinity is because you hold ancient wisdom of your black ancient mothers in your veins. Okay? I'm not here to argue that or debate that with anyone. When you become intentional about that, because now your nervous system is now resetting, because that's part of what happens when you go through religious deconstructing. It's almost like you're hitting the reset button on your nervous system. It's almost like, okay, return to original settings. That's what's happening. And in your return to your original settings, you're going to find that your conversations change. Your conversation and what you allow yourself to be a part of, it changes. And I know that sounds almost very simple, but let me give you an example. So let's just say, for example, that, you're in a group of people, you all are talking, or you could even be at an event, and whether we're in conversations or we're around people, because of programming and conditioning, we have these things that we say that become conversation starters, or people say certain things as a way to connect with you, or just to connect with other people, or to be relatable. So for example, I'm going to use an example of money because we can all understand that. You will hear people say, even now, well, people are out here struggling. Times are hard. Money is low, or, whatever. And you could be standing there feeling, well, that does not apply to me. I don't accept that. And you can either choose to, you'll find yourself saying that within yourself, or you could even find yourself saying that out loud. And people will look at you and say things like, well, don't you see what's happening in the world? Who do you think you are to think that you're somehow different, that you're not going to be affected by this? People will say things like that. And when you start to recognize who you are, you will start to embrace that you've always had autonomy, that you've always had sovereignty, that you've always had power, cosmic power, spiritual technology, for whatever is happening in the world, for it not to affect you. Not only will it not affect you, but you'll begin to thrive in the middle of it. You'll become a channel for someone else to receive and overflow in abundance, regardless of what is happening around you. So your connection, your reconnection, your remembrance of who you are has nothing to do with you being relatable. I need for you to get that. I'd like for you to understand that this is not about you being relatable. You're not going to be relatable. because you're not going to talk the same way. You're not. And then, so going back to the money example, you're hearing what's being fed to the crowd, or what other people are saying in conversation to relate to each other. You're not trying to stand out. You're not trying to be rebellious, or you're not trying to be anything. What you're being is in your power and in your sovereignty. So you're not trying to buck up against the system, whatever. You're being in your essence. You're returning in real time. You are returning to your essence. And it has nothing to do with you being relatable. You may have to be the only one that will perhaps look crazy and sound crazy to other people. Part of your deconstruction means that you have to be willing to appear, you can call it crazy, different, out of touch, whatever, when in reality you are so in touch that you can't that's hard to articulate sometimes. And you're going to feel kind of this almost a frustration, because you're looking at other people and you're thinking, don't you want to walk in this clarity? And perhaps you're looking at other Black women thinking, don't you want to walk in this power, in this surety, this sureness, this confidence that goes beyond just what you look like on the outside. This is coming from internal. This is ancient. You're tapping into ancient wisdom that will give you the guidance and the direction on how to move in any environment to get what you need, to get what you desire. Period. So let that be a reminder to you. And also, I want you to sign up for my complimentary Ascension workshop, which is happening November 22nd, Saturday, November 22nd, 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. To reserve your spot, click on the link. You'll put your email in that link, and you will receive the link to access that live workshop. Did I mention it was live, by the way? Yes, it is live. All right. And it's complimentary. So go ahead and do that. And I look forward to seeing you on November 22nd.